Get excited about the 2011 Dodge Journey. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like heated seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, front dual-zone air conditioning, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and remote keyless entry. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.